Hi there, Southeast Idaho. Welcome to your planning briefing for January 25th. We have a mixture of precip types to chat with you about for today, and then a new weather system arrives tomorrow with more rain and snow forecast beginning early tomorrow morning. Our frontal passage is forecast for Sunday night into Monday, bringing gusty winds to our area. And then yet another weather system arrives for Tuesday, also bringing a rain and snow mix to our area. Plenty of moisture and cloud cover is noted on our satellite imagery early this morning, so we do see that in all of our blues and greens. For our overview throughout the week here, we don't have a whole lot of impacts for the day today, with the exception of a few highlighted areas. That includes the highlands, and we are seeing a mixture of some winter precip type early this morning, and that includes areas of snow showers, fog, some freezing drizzle in areas, in particular the upper Snake Valley, the Chalice area, so the Lost River Valley, Bear Lake area. The Sawtooth area has some snow showers this morning, and really we're expecting more or less all these conditions to continue through mid to late morning and possibly into the early afternoon hours. What may lift is the fog, in particular in the Bear Lake area. But the snow showers are really expected to linger over the Island Park area, the Upper Snake, and in the Highlands. For tomorrow, we have another weather system arriving early tomorrow morning from west to east, so we're expecting it to begin in the Sawtooth areas and then track eastward. So we have snow almost everywhere. The exception to that is the Magic Valley area, and then we have a mix through the Snake Plain. Monday we have a little bit of a break, but we still have some lingering snow showers in some areas, and then that blowing and drifting is possible in some areas with that front passing through. Tuesday, another system comes through the area, pretty similar to what we're expecting for Sunday, and then the lingering snow showers for Wednesday. So let's let a model loop go through, and you'll see our forecast for today. Not a whole lot on our model here, just these lingering snow showers in the east, so the Island Park and Teton area. Not a whole lot. So even though there will be some snow showers, we're not seeing a whole lot of accumulations, so we're less than an inch of accumulating snow through the day in this kind of circled area here. Okay, so here comes our next system early tomorrow morning. You see these greens, that's rain, and that's most of the Magic Valley, and then you see it extending through Pocatello, maybe even up to Blackfoot here. There's kind of going to be a boundary of where that rain-snow line is going to end and where only snow is going to be forecast, and right now we're seeing that between Blackfoot and Idaho Falls, and then all snow is forecast north of Idaho Falls at this point. So we'll let that loop through one more time so you can see that. And then we'll go show you the snow totals for tomorrow, and then what is expected through early next week with the next weather system. All right. So tomorrow during the day is when we are seeing the strongest or heaviest, however you'd like to word that, snowfall amounts. So I picked this graphic just to illustrate that. So snowfall amounts anywhere from 1 to 2, 2 to 3 inches up in Island Park, Ashton area, and then higher, of course, on the passes in the eastern and Caribou Highlands. And then you see areas of higher snowfall, Stanley Basin and in the Salmon Chalice Mountains. And then you don't see any snow through American Falls, Pocatello, Burley, and the rest of the Magic Valley, and that's because of that rain that we saw in the forecast. If we go ahead and extend out the expected snowfall through early Tuesday morning, you see some higher snowfall amounts. So we see 6 inches in Island Park, 4 inches in Stanley, 4 inches in Driggs, and then a couple more inches over in Rexburg. I wanted to show you some new graphics that you now have access to, and that is the low and high end amount of snowfall forecast in a time frame. So just like we saw this graphic, expected snowfall from now until early Tuesday, this is the same time frame, and you can kind of look at this as what's kind of a guaranteed almost snowfall amount, and what's the possible, what could we possibly get out of this snowfall event at the high end amount. So low end amount, here's kind of your guaranteed amount, and high end event, what's the high end amount, what's possible. So here's the low end spectrum. Of course, zeros, Pocatello, Blackfoot, Burley with rain forecast. Stanley, you're guaranteed to get an inch. Island Park, that's a pretty high end amount there of 4 inches. As I mentioned, you can view these graphics now. So please go to weather.gov/PIH and then /winter. So it's just our normal web page, and then add the /winter to it. And there's plenty more graphics and things that you can dig around and look through on this page. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you, and that's the wind gusts associated with the cold front tomorrow night. So not tonight, but tomorrow night. This is Sunday evening into Monday. We do have some wind gusts forecast with that. So we're looking at 25 to maybe 30 miles an hour winds with this front. So that's tomorrow night through the Snake Plain, and then Monday continuing with the stronger gusts, and then clearing up by Monday night. Okay, so rain snow mix arrives tomorrow morning. Frontal passage is forecast Sunday night into Monday, and then we do have another weather system arriving on Tuesday, and it will be pretty similar to the weather system arriving tomorrow, which is also expected to bring a rain snow mix to our area. Okay, any questions or concerns, please do give us a call. You can email us at pocatello.weather@noaa.gov, or visit us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow.